So today we have decided to, last minute, we've decided to go on a family trip. It's about a 3-hour drive and we're gonna be heading over to Branson. I was gonna work on the van this weekend. However, we didn't just wanna sit around the house and do nothing. So we've decided to go on this quick trip. All right, so we've made it to Branson, and as we were driving into town, the first thing that we saw was this really tall Ferris wheel, and as soon as the kids saw it, they wanted to ride it. So my brother's gonna be taking Ariana and Cameron up on that real quick. For those of you that are new to my channel, I don't have any kids of my own, so the kids that you see periodically on this channel are my 2 nieces and my nephew. Today, Ariana and Cameron are with us. My other niece, Maddie, she's actually in Florida at Cheer Nationals, so she's not with us on this specific trip.
Helicopter! That's the helicopter! Cory!
So ever since Cameron has been able to talk, he has been wanting to go fly, whether it's an airplane or a helicopter. And we just found helicopter rides here in Branson, so my dad wants to take Ariana and Cameron up in a helicopter. So we're gonna go check it out. Cameron, are you excited?
Yes!
We're doing the 8-mile tour over the lake and the dam and stuff,
cool.
and then coming back.
Yep.
You've never been on a helicopter, have you?
When I get 5 from the helicopter.
Oh, you're gonna do it today?
You're gonna do it today, Cameron.
Good morning, everybody. So last night I actually spent the night out in the parking lot of the hotel that my parents and my brother stayed at. It was a very peaceful night. I didn't have any problems and it was very quiet. And since I have my own van that I can sleep in, I don't see the reason for spending money on a hotel room. I didn't film too much on this specific trip because I wanted to spend time with my family, and we really did have a great time. It was very nice just to take a weekend trip up here and spend some time together. But I think we're going to head home now. There's a small project that I want to get taken care of. I'll probably start working on that in the morning, so I will pick you guys back up then. Alright, so now that we made it back home, I've been wanting to get my lower cabinet doors repainted and make them look a little nicer, so I think I'm going to jump in and do that real quick. I'm also going to replace the handles that I have on them and replace them with the knobs that I used on the upper cabinets. I think making the lower cabinets match the upper cabinets will make it look a whole lot better. So I've already removed them from my van. I just need to go in and take off the hinges and the old handles and then get them ready to paint. Alright, so I have the cabinet doors done now, and I have them matching the upper cabinets. So I think they look a whole lot better now. Oh, and ignore the drawer. I'm having to redo that as well. I just ran out of time this week and wasn't able to get to it. Sorry for the close-up shot of the cabinet doors. In order to get a really good shot, I was going to have to put my camera outside, and it's been raining all day, so I didn't want to get my camera wet. So sorry about that. One thing that I did want to mention, you'll probably notice that this video came up on Sunday instead of Thursday. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out different days of the week to see which will work best with my schedule. I'm thinking that Sundays will be good because I'm off on the weekend, so that gives me the day before to buckle down and try to get a video done. But I'm not 100% sure yet. So I think I'm going to test out a few different days of the week. I've already done Tuesdays and I've already done Thursdays. So I'm going to test some more out to see which one would work best. So bear with me. My video schedule is probably going to be a little off the wall for a little bit, for probably the next month or two, while I figure this out. You all have been extremely patient with me lately, and I greatly appreciate that. You all don't know how much I appreciate that. So thank you very much. But I think that's where I'm going to end it this week. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.